Welcome to Motivation at Hand, MAN. To know is to know how. The psychological challenges of discovery, understanding the pain and resistance to change. In the realm of human souls, a spark ignites. A thirst for knowledge, embracing new heights. Through discovery's path, we venture and range. Unleashing the strength to embrace and change. In shadows deep, where comfort finds its hold. We dare to wander, courageous and bold. Breaking free from chains that bind us tight. With each discovery, we reclaim our light. The winds of change may whisper doubts and fears. Yet we march ahead, undeterred, through the years. For in the face of uncertainty, we find the strength to adapt, evolve, and realign. With open hearts, we greet the unknown's call. Embracing transformation, standing tall. Humanity's strength lies in the will to see that through discovery and change, we're set free. Throughout history, numerous groundbreaking discoveries have shaped our understanding of the world. However, it is important to acknowledge that the process of discovery often brings about distress due to the physiology of the brain, synapses, and the subconsciousness resistant to change. In this presentation, we will explore 10 key components of discovery that frequently evoke pain and resistance to change, providing insights into the complex interplay between the mind and new knowledge. 1. Cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance arises when new discoveries challenge our existing beliefs and understanding of the world. 2. Confirmation bias. This discomfort experience stems from the inconsistency between the new information and our pre-existing knowledge, forcing us to reassess our perspectives. Confirmation bias refers to the tendency to seek out information that confirms our preconceived notions while dismissing or ignoring contradictory evidence. When faced with new discoveries, confirmation bias may intensify, leading to a resistance to accept or integrate the new information. 3. Emotional attachment. Humans often develop emotional attachments to their beliefs and ideas, which can make it difficult to let go or modify them in light of new discoveries. The emotional investment in our existing beliefs can hinder our ability to objectively evaluate and embrace new information. 4. Fear of the unknown. Discoveries often introduce new and unfamiliar concepts, which can evoke fear and anxiety. The fear of the unknown can cause individuals to resist accepting or exploring new information, as it disrupts their comfort zone. 5. Loss of identity. Our beliefs and knowledge shape our sense of identity. When confronted with discoveries that challenge these beliefs, individuals may experience a sense of loss or confusion regarding their identity. This loss of identity can trigger resistance to change and create emotional distress. 6. Ego protection. The ego plays a significant role in the resistance to change associated with discovery. Admitting that our previous beliefs or understanding were flawed can bruise our ego, leading to defensive mechanisms that impede acceptance of new knowledge. 7. Social pressure. The influence of social circles and the fear of judgment can further contribute to resistance to change. Individuals may hesitate to embrace new discoveries due to the potential negative reactions or ostracization from their social groups. 8. Loss of control. New discoveries can disrupt our sense of control and stability. The feeling of uncertainty and loss of control can evoke distress and resistance to change, as individuals strive to maintain a sense of order and predictability. 9. Emotional disruption. Discovery often involves challenging deeply held beliefs, which can lead to emotional turmoil. Emotional disruption, including feelings of confusion, frustration, and even grief, can hinder the acceptance and integration of new knowledge. 10. Limited cognitive capacity. Our brains have limited cognitive capacity, and incorporating new information requires effort and mental energy. The cognitive strain associated with assimilating new discoveries can contribute to resistance and avoidance. Conclusion: the process of discovery is not always a smooth and seamless journey. Understanding the psychological challenges that accompany new knowledge is crucial in navigating and embracing change. By recognizing the 10 components we discussed today, we can develop strategies to address resistance, promote open-mindedness, and foster a culture of curiosity and growth. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.